Yes. Guys, this is Hello Baby's channel. Who is my cousin?
Yes.
I had some issue with Hello Baby because one day he said I chased him, which I did not.
Yeah.
But you know, he's my blood.
Yes.
So I want him to be an honest man.
Yeah.
And through that, maybe I can be supporting him.
Okay.
Yes. Because
Okay.
me, I can't deal with someone who is not honest.
Yeah.
Sure. So if you promise you'll be that.
Yes.
You know, these are all our village. You know, you cannot run to another village.
Sure. Okay.
Good morning guys. Hello Baby here. Welcome on today's videos at very special, and right now it's early in the morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking this video, and in case you're new here guys, please subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby official. And on this side and then on this side, birds, you know, wow, look at that, crazy. Oh my god, the birds are 3 hours from the trees right there, you know. Good morning birds. Now Shuren, come you say hello. When are you Shuren? I see my sister from inside of the home. Yo, you Kupereke. Sunte, can you hear her now? Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
You want to go to school?
Yes.
Guys, that's my sister. Let's go. And she wants to go to school. So there is one guy came for my uncle's kids. You want to join the squad? But I was shooting the videos, so it's like a Sunday, man. Toa bagi benu shikirie. Yes, anakaa nyuma. Songa kirara. Toa hii bagi. Au mutere kwa kahati. Aenda warule mandasi. Aya. Shikie beni. Aya, panda sasa. Hey. Aya. Nishikirie yule uya kushikirie. Aya. That's what over. Okay guys, they are going back to school right now, and yeah, so guys, let's see these birds here. I'm so blessed enough, man, because my birds have already arrived completely. Look, good morning. Good morning, guys. I love that sound from the birds. Honestly, I love it. You know, that shows you when that birds came around at my home, there's something good going to happen. E.g., today we are going to split timbers today, and also I will indicate that video here, but we do it yesterday night. I think yesterday, you know, evening time, not night. Sorry guys, yesterday evening time we cut the trees. It's fall down, and it's my evidence on my video. You will see it. And let me even call that guy for the power saw. Let me call, guys. It's around 7:17 a.m. That's my local time. And I know yesterday you missed my videos, but sometime when you missed my videos, you know, I do feel maybe so tired, headache here and there. You know, like, man, my mom's construction, it's give me headache. So it's supposed me like to push day by day. Like for example, today you will see. And also thank you so much, Mom G from Central America, and also thank you so much, Mom May. I wanna say May from, I think from UK or from US, whichever the case. Thank you so much, both of my mom. My God bless you for your work that you done to me, and for your support that you support me. My God bless you abundantly, and may your pocket never dry, So you made it possible, Mom G, and today I think I'll go to split the timbers, and also when I finish today, by tomorrow, I'll finish my mama house, especially the place where it left, and then we'll see what next, As long as day by day I'm gonna push myself to another level. So I wanna call that guy right now here by the name Eric. Let me search him. Yeah, Eric Person. Because you heard right. Oh my God, he didn't pick my call. Guys, I'm very, very happy. Very, very. I'm trying to call him. Oh my God. He didn't pick my call. I don't know what's happened, man. I don't know. For sure, I don't know. But at least I make a call, Okay. And also, today is a market day. And it's been a while, man, without taking you to the market. Day of 2026, I never taking you there. But I think last year, December, I take you there. You know what? Alright, I remember. We buy goats for my birthday. And man, that's my biggest birthday ever since my entire life. People will celebrate, they eat, and enjoy. Even the barbecue, they really enjoy eating the cake, champagne, I say, damn, let's people enjoy. This is my life, We live once, and we die once. Let's people enjoy, Even I see the guy there. Father! Omo! Baraboke! Ambe, I was speaking with the guy right there. So yesterday I told him today you're supposed to have a work, and I must be there counting the timbers off cuts, and I think that off cast I will use it by making the small kitchen coop. I think so, that one, because my sister's I think my sister chicken, she have I think around 2, and also me I have around probably 2 there. So you'll see, because it's getting like those chicken are really struggling since we demolished the house. The chicken struggling to laying eggs, especially where mama's staying right now, the Mamabati house. That's where the chicken were being laying eggs. And when I demolished that house, the chicken like really struggling here and there. Anyway, guys, as we watch these videos, let me know what do you think about these videos, and remember to give a like, subscribe. Road to 10k subscriber, I really appreciate. I know, guys, maybe other subscribers, they are tired of me like shooting videos around my home, But for me, I want to push my mom's house, and then when I finish everything, I will start moving around. Why not? Why not? At the same time, moving around, I think of back of my family, especially for my young sibling who joined to school. I need to support them, and also I have solid subscriber outside there, who feel pain of my family. Mpaka uye chonzo sotemechiko hani ingia ndani akuambie penye. Aya, iweke hapo, iweke hapo. Aya, that's my sister. No, katazi umba. Hey, Bruno. Bruno is something else. Hey, toa hizi. Watiri. Sasa unafanya hivyo ukidongo unaleta huko. Eh. Chunge. Guys, I'm telling you, these are tough work, and these are continuation videos. Maybe I'll doing a mixture videos for tomorrow. Yes. Tutoe kimoja hapo kienda. God. Here you must be very careful. Ndio utoe. It's a risk. Okay. Utake zimbao. Mama, ichomo toka chimuchembare ni misumari hogere. Ichomo toka chichembare ni misumari ngotonyagere. No Mwita, you should remove that nails. Hai. Itatoka kweli. Si itapasuka. Itapasuka. Toa msumari. I see the KK on the other side. Try there.
It's a KK.
It's a KK.
Okay. Nigeria nasema okay.
Kwanza unaenda ugonge huko.
Nani? Kutoka hapa.
Tapasuka.
Kiki inakuleta.
Inaleta nini? Mahara goteri.
Maha. Uwe hano haro gano.
Oya. Mahindi baki yako. You must be very careful, mate. Yeah, just like that.
Rakura amagutu.
Mahindi baki kwa rabdoko.
Sasa rimia uchungu.
Nilimuona. Tora hanora wanse kurusire kur. You know, guys, me, I'm scared to walk with some shoes here, but Muita. Hey. Oh my god, look where we are walking, guys. Hey, I'm standing here. Whew. Guys, follow the vibe to the end. And also make sure you leave a sweet comment. There, guys, we did a fantastic job. You know, I will see hands here. Chungivi kwapa. Yeah, you know, guys, the reason why I removed these timbers. Hey, slowly, Muita. The reason why I removed these timbers, right now it's a season of raining, and then we need them to be cured. Curing. Uchunge. Just like that. Fantastic job. Don't know how to see that answer here. I'm with a careful. To here. Hey. Tiguchir. And then we go to Border Town, and then from Border Town, I want to take you somewhere else. Watakunishimbu. No, my company is not so quick. No. Iyo mpaka hapo. Tupige kwenda chini.
Hii.
Lazima utoe hii. Hii. Nditoke. Kona waya? I'm telling him he's supposed to move this, and then this one could get an easy way. You did a fantastic job. If you remember very well, that day I'm the one who mixing the concrete. Joe, you come with. Ante piano. Simiti ilikuwa kali. Niliona isiharibike. Ungetoa zile. Ama muita. Uchunge sipasuki yako kwa kitu. Okay guys, I'll show you at the end of this work. Keep watch till the end and also make sure you subscribe to my channel. This is your boy Hello Babe Official. What's up guys, welcome on these videos, and I'm so grateful today. I've been invited here, I think this week on Monday, so I have some invitation card. Actually there's one of my closest friends by the name Chacha Tiles. So today we are launching the, I think his business officially today will be open up. Maybe nakuja hapo. Maybe the business of selling the business of selling the selling of cafe. Say hello.
Yeah. Hello, what's up guys? My name is Ken Chronicles KC.
Yes.
A Kingston boy, a boy from Jamaica. That is it.
You're a Kingston.
Not forgetting the grill.
I'm the boy from Jamaica also. I'm present Miami, Florida.
Oh, you are from Miami, Florida.
Florida.
You know, Florida is in
In
the
US, yeah.
Exactly.
Oh yeah.
Bugatti arrive.
Bossy kama bossy.
Who knows how to make a necktie?
Necktie. You pay me a necktie.
Or to tie for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know?
Okay,
I
we know.
Even my friend over here knows.
Hey, it's long time, bro.
You to make a tie? Okay. Okay guys, let me
California
make a little
boy.
bit, but California boy has just arrived.
California.
With a suit.
Yeah.
And champagne.
Haina
Oh,
shida.
champagne. Okay
shika
guys,
masega.
let me make for him the tie.
Okay, let me hold for you the camera.
No, don't worry.
California. Huh? Look. New look.
Waiting now for...
Nikuweke refu ama short?
Refu tu kiasi.
Akafiki hapo. New look. Huh? Today we wear like a boss.
Huh? CEO
of Nyabohanse. Introduce, don't laugh.
What's up guys? Yeah, it's Robbie David. Guys, my first time wearing a suit.
How do you feel?
It's giving me a problem. I'm not used to since I was born. This is my first time. Even people are going to be surprised on how I look.
You look like California boy. California.
I wonder if I'm going to survive with this for the coming 2 hours. I really wonder.
Okay.
Will I be able to survive?
You'll survive. Before things go inside shorts. Hey.
Official.
Celebration drink. You do like this. Let me show you. No. Like this, bro. You do like this. And then you poo.
Wait for it.
Watoto leo kuna masoda. Masoda. Say hello.
Hello.
Guys, me I love kids. Say hello.
Hello.
Lakini ni vya wazee. Alright guys, let's see. Today it's a game changer. We have a lot of people here as a teamwork, as a positive work, you know. And also this champagne here. I think it's 0 alcohol. So this is non-alcohol.
Nah, that's zero.
0 alcohol. I know.
Yeah, I can't bring something alcohol.
Huh?
Yeah, and I'm not.
You know,
I'm not used.
That's the way the function of the body.
you know California boy.
Manufactured or
California.
natural.
Right.
Yeah,
Guys.
this suit is giving me a problem.
So maybe you can go home and change.
It's an official event.
What's happened? Why do you wanna go home? When I'm going? I'm asking this kid too much coughing. You have a flu? Una homa? Yeah, you have a flu. You need to wear a mask. Okay. KC, I'm waiting you to finish and then we continue our story.
Our vibe.
Our vibe. California boy. Ungepiga njumu. Ungepiga wanchoma.
Unaona hapo kwa viatu?
Sasa
Guys, you know,
Sunge dunga zile viatu zingine unakuanga na.
yani hapa ili bado usipatoe chakula lakini uonje.
Hata ni vlog hii.
Yes, I'm telling you better. Maybe people missing food, but getting this gun.
Hii wine. Chukua hata zote wewe chukulia. Naweza chukulia hapo ndani ama ni vibe?
naingia na hiyo live official.
Oh. And vibe. You eat good, you wear smart.
Acha tena nimeiweka kidogo sana.
Yes, you can see we have
Iko
pasta
sawa
of the
hiyo.
day. This is our new pasta.
Ebu length bado iko refu. Si ilikuwa iko hapo sawa. Iko sawa hapo unaitaki.
Huyu ni Morio.
Okay.
Go sawa.
Kichwa ndo sasa ni big.
Kichwa nayo ni gani?
Nimeacha hii
Kichwa ni helmet.
People are right.
Since my life.
People are live. What's up? So guys, my first time having a suit. Guys, it's not... Guys, let us...
Cheers. You want to put music? Yeah. You know this is my brother guy. Say hello.
Yeah guys, what's up? Welcome back to Hello Baby official YouTube channel. My name is Gake, and guys, if you're watching this for the first time and haven't subscribed, hit the subscription button and let us know what your thoughts about the video.
Yes.
Your subscription, guys, it's always appreciated.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So a party without champagne is not a party.
Yeah, for sure. So let me put this inside over here.
No, don't put the honest camera.
No, even I put the cake over here.
Here?
Yeah.
Hey, it's been closed, man. So you can kuchungulia.
I will choose personal.
Oh my God, because we haven't launched. This is amazing, bro.
Here is the
Cake.
the cake and the gifts.
Gifts.
Yeah, for sure.
Also, maybe you can add this.
Yeah,
there.
you can just put.
Put yourself because you're the man. You're the one who manage.
Yes,
Me, I have no idea.
Yeah, so that's good, guys.
Yeah.
The champagne is
Hey, guys, it's been long, bro.
yeah, for sure it has been long, so here we go. We keep trying.
You see, things are shining here.
Then look from this other edge. How
Man. For sure. We work so hard, me and Gaiki.
so the name of your channel, that is Hello Baby.
Yes, hello, baby, man.
It's over there, Hello Baby
Yeah, man.
official. Subscribe everyone to Max Creative Hub for sure.
Oh, yeah.
So guys, I was just checking if the radio is on.
Okay, guys. This is a nice business, and also we try to promote our brother. Maybe morning hour and evening hour, we should have maybe some cafe, and also lunchtime we wanna have food. But me, I eat only breakfast and supper. So maybe in the evening I should come here and have 1 cup of cafe, things like that, and maybe peanuts. Who knows? If you take ngoma,
Yeah, but non-copyright.
no, put it for my Yugo. It's non-copyright. You see? Things are bombastic. This is your boy from Miami. Currently my home was Jamaica, but I'm working in Miami. Yes, baby. Put.
Hakuna Matata.
My brother, I'm waiting your song. Put.
Yeah, we're gonna be putting the music.
Here we have some security.
Yeah, we have the CCTV camera. Everything is recorded.
Yes, no cornering.
No corner.
If you try to bring shit, your day is numbered. We have the music here. No music. Nani copyright? Okay.
No, we don't want music. We are vlogging.
So we have the music here.
Music over here. But none.
It should be non-copyright.
Yeah, none.
I trust and I know you because if you put the copyright music, things will be on fire. Brian, how are you?
I'm good.
Oh, you talk? Okay. Hello. I'm good, my brother. Masubo. Today.
Who is that? Oh.
Say hello.
Hello everyone, my name is Asif Video Tour. I'm calling here from New York City, right in the park.
Yes, even I see your shirt in New York City. Unamjua jina?
I think he's Richard.
Oh, on YouTube?
On YouTube, yeah?
By the name?
No. No, this is not YouTube name. My name is Ozzy Video Tours.
Ozzy.
Video Tours.
Video tools.
Right.
Okay, you watch these videos.
All right.
Okay, man. Blessing. Yes. Okay, Brian, continue.
Yes, Dad.
Guys, that's Brian, man, for you. So guys, I'm just over here and I'm telling this party, it has a lot of people. Either boss lady and also you see where my eyes is looking. We have some special guests here. Okay, say hello.
Special guest.
Yeah?
Hi guys, what's up? Hello babies family. Hope you're all doing great. I'm also doing fine. Bokeh Africa here. I just arrived at this event that I've been invited by Chacha Tales. I don't know if the event is ongoing, is starting, is ending. Like I just arrived.
No, you just on the right on time.
Oh, so you've not started
Yes.
yet? Okay, I'm
Things
super
have been
excited.
closed.
You've not eaten?
No.
Oh, okay.
So already everything's on the table, champagne, cake and some other gifts.
Okay.
So we're just still waiting
Were we
more
supposed
people.
to come with gifts?
No.
Okay.
But me, I just go inside there randomly. I see some gifts.
You saw some, like that one is stealing. Do you know that you steal?
No, I go with the management.
Okay. Anyway, guys, how are you doing? How is you? Hello, baby. Guys, I've been out of vlogging for so long, so I don't know how to vlog right now.
I know you're
honestly.
doing cooking videos.
No, I'm not doing cooking videos, but mine is. Anyway,
Okay.
I can't talk about
you
it.
can't talk it, guys. Things private.
So what up?
Me, I'm good.
What up, baby? Hello, baby. What up, baby?
What up?
Unanikisisha jamani.
So wakisa watu.
Niambie sasa. Unajua maneno yameisha sasa tunaongea nini?
Okay, you go. I know.
Oh, I go now. Guys, consider subscribing to his YouTube channel. Take him to 10,000 subscribers as soon as now. Also, you can support his own project that he's doing. He's doing great work to his mom, which is an amazing thing. As us in the villages, we sing through our. He's the elder person. He's the elder son and everything. He's now like he's the father. He's the elder son. He's everything.
I'm telling you
The
guys.
family. So
Things
you
are so-
congratulations for
Thank you.
everything that you're doing. I salute you. I know it's not easy because I'm doing the same thing to my family also. Nothing is easy.
Are you the firstborn?
I'm not the firstborn, but I'm blessed.
I'm telling you, I'm the firstborn, being blessed at the same time the firstborn.
Yeah.
So everything,
Yeah.
my family depend on me.
But-
And me, I can't complain. I thank God.
Thank God for everything. Even me, I thank God for everything. It's God's plans, and they say always, when God's time reach, no one can change it. So God's time is the best.
Okay, can you match? Also, guys, I met my neighbor here. Say hello.
Hello guys, we're here. Welcome back to Hello Baby's channel. My name is Claudio Joseph. I'm glad to be around here, meet and greet at this hub. So we are here under the courtesy of Chacha Tales, and we are all welcomed. I'm very much happy for this. Subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment.
What, bro? You look like I should speed. I should speed or lie.
Oh no, this is our village. I should speed.
Yeah.
Oh, bro.
Look.
We are here.
Woo!
You know that one? Oh, for me, I don't do that one. I do this one.
Ah, you can't.
I think I have do it.
Guys, we have actual speed in our village here. Look.
Bro, it's been wrong.
No, don't do.
Don't.
You want to
break his leg.
I show speed.
Guys, I want to challenge. Do you want to maybe learn of boxing?
No, we can create a ring here right now. Let any come to take a ring here. You want to?
No. For you, no. I want this guy.
Okay. Oh, to shake camera.
I want the guy who can beat and feel it, you know?
Also, I'm saying thank you for welcoming.
You want to listen?
We want somebody to hold our camera.
Juma.
Camera.
WWE.
Come you hold it.
I want someone I can hold, you know?
Rejuvenated like energy. You see like this energy. Hey, man.
Hold. Shika hivi.
Saidia man. Tata, bas. I show speed. Bas. I show speed. Imetosha. Manu ndio huyu. It's enough. You are down, bro. 1, 2, 3.
I'm the winner. Yeah, man.
Yeah, bro. Buddha.
I'm the winner. Who was down? If you are down, I'm on top, and you can't move.
Oh no, clip. No, say delete. Don't delete.
You see this guy? It was like he can relate to this guy.
But ingekuwa ni UFC alikuwa amekushinda.
Nani?
Yeye alikuwa amekushinda. Alikuwa amekushinda kupiga lock.
Amenilock but ako chini.
Supposed to tap. Yeah.
No, but I did tap, right?
No, but you didn't tap.
And I could not because I knew that I'm on top.
No, because
and I know this guy cannot take me down and be on top of me.
Because you are strong.
There's no way. Because I am very strong. You know, I was like, wait.
Yeah.
You know, I was
tell you, it's because it was just a friendly. But if it was an actual
I want to win.
The moment the guy has locked you.
I locked you. No, he locks me.
No matter what you do.
That is not a lock.
You must surrender. You must surrender.
No, you know when you lock someone like that, the person is supposed to tap, right?
Yes, you are almost.
So, no, I could not.
He didn't tap.
Because if you don't put me down and be on top, I cannot tap.
My friend,
I will always feel that I'm okay. No, there is a lot of always. Okay. If he was not a friend,
I'm doing good. Let me tell you. I'm here.
If he was not a friend,
so much.
when someone is down on you, you can always hit him, you know?
Even your head was down.
Okay, but sorry.
Yeah,
Guys, at the floor.
Okay, guys, first.
guys, tell us who was there?
Me and Johnny go with Jay.
Good J.
Who is the best?
I'm the best, bro. No. I give you a lock. You can't move.
You are down.
No.
He was down.
I slide. You know?
No, he was down, bro. Look even how you look like. Look. If he was white, look.
Check situation.
And him. Look.
No, this one is
No wonder ulimkanyaga mwanangu.
Hey.
Nilimpiga lock.
Wanda ulimkanyaga.
We can recharge.
Celebrate like a CR7. Celebrate like a CR7.
CJ.
Hey,
Look at this guy.
CR7. Hata hajui.
Oh.
You don't know. Show love. Show speed. Hey, show speed.
I show speed in the village. But anyway, my brother, sorry.
No, don't worry, man.
We just make our jokes.
Yeah, we made it, you know. That was amazing, by the way. It's been a long time we had to do something like that.
I show speed in the village.
It's in the village, right?
Yeah. What's up?
What's up?
Woo! This is going VJ.
I show speed in the village.
I show speed.
Say I show speed.
Okay, what is it all about?
Actually, the name suggests it's a creative hub.
Okay.
Like it's a space where people can get creative. So from here, I will learn a cook as a podcast. There's a creative kitchen over there, and this is a chilling space.
Okay.
Also for this, I want to.
It will capture for me a moment so I can promote this hub.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, please. Thank you. Yes. So where is your camera? This one?
Yeah, this is my camera. So what's up, guys? This is Chacha Tells.
Yes.
Marwa is here, and I don't know what I'm feeling. I'm feeling so happy. So this is Mark's Creative Hub.
Okay.
Actually, we want Marwa to launch the first ribbon.
I'm really humbled.
Because Marwa was actually Marwa is behind all this.
I'm really humbled.
Even what I'm doing is
I'm really humbled.
And then this ribbon, my dad will do it.
Maybe a weekend and do, let's say, streams or tell us more, because maybe my people don't know what's going on.
Yeah. So from here, actually, Nyaboanse now it's a famous YouTuber, a famous village. I think in the world. So they create actually from now it will be running as partially as a restaurant where we can sell coffee and goat soup.
Yes.
So creatives will gather here to upload their videos.
Okay.
And also my dream actually is to convert my entire home to be a hostel.
Wow.
Like
wow.
Where
that is very smart.
Yeah, when visitors come, they can sleep here and also eat here.
Even me, I've always thought of bringing a hostel here.
Yeah. So
me, I'm a son of a hostel.
Oh, yeah.
When I was traveling around the world, the cheapest place you can find is a hostel. And even if you don't know anybody, if you go to a hostel, you meet a lot of friends from all over around the world. And then you can travel together, you can do some, excursions together, you know? Yes.
So from here, from this kitchen, we'll be running a Cook As We Talk podcast. I think we'll open it to see. We are not finished, but we have a cooking space there and also put coaches.
Yes.
So this one, we have some furniture, not complete yet, but we'll start around. For me, I've learned that just start.
Yeah.
So me, I've just
it's very
start.
important.
Yeah. Yes. And also ask for the support also from the people who are watching and the people here. Actually, I've built for starting my people at home.
Yes.
And then after that, pole, I believe we'll get there. And I'm really appreciating you, Marwa, for coming. Thank you.
You know, me, I really like the fact that you're trying to create something new.
Yeah.
Not maybe every day doing the same exact thing as everybody else. And actually, that's what makes you stand out from the crowd, you know. And any YouTuber here, it's very important that you start thinking, naweza fanya kitu gani mpya? Usiende kutusi watu kwa mitandao na nini, hapana. Just ask yourself, what can I do something new? Something like this is very good. And even me as Marwa, I'll keep supporting it.
Thank you.
Even your podcast, one day you'll invite me, I'll come.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes.
So also, apart from this, me and my brother here, where's Suleimani and Jackson?
Suleimani.
Yeah, Suleimani and Jackson. These are, where's Joseph?
Yeah, Suleimani means Solomon, right?
Yeah, it's Solomon. Yes. So these, they saw him. And actually, there's a day I went with my camera to his home, and they completely renovated their home. Their home is just
YouTube is very powerful. YouTube is very powerful. Those who don't believe, it's their problem. Maybe when it's 2030, they will look back and say, wow, we started with these people and today they are someone else. Haya, let's pray, then... One finger there.
Where is Gaki?
Let me see how it's done.
Yeah,
okay.
It will work.
So we can do 1, 2, 3 because, or what's the plan? I don't know. I don't want to mess up the plan.
You said
3, 2, 1.
3. Okay. In a count of 3. Okay, I think you're supposed to do it. Just bless me. Speak a word of blessing.
Okay.
Yeah, do it.
As we cut.
Yeah.
Like from my heart.
Yeah.
Or I should speak it loud.
Speak it loud.
Okay.
1. In a count of 3, 2, 1.
1.
One man. Hey.
God bless your work.
Thank you so much.
God
bless you.
And me also, I'm giving you my blessing as Marwa.
Thank you.
Mungu akusaidia rafiki.
Asante Marwa.
Yes.
And Marwa, keep up. You have a big heart.
Yes.
Keep the good work. And
one day we will try to see if we can have a day where I can give maybe all of the YouTubers some session.
Yeah.
Maybe I teach them more about YouTube. Maybe others are very new.
Yeah, true.
I see if I can do that. Gitiriba will arrange this probably.
Thank you, Marwa.
Yes.
Yeah, so next
probably next month.
Don't leave because I have a gift for you inside here.
Hello, Masana.
Yeah. Baba. Now next is my dad. Sababa Foods.
Oh, make way,
Your
make
dad must be
way.
very proud of you.
Mr. Robi.
Do you know him? He used to
Yeah, I know Mr. Rob. Even at grandma there. Jameni, thank you for coming, everybody.
Okay, we appreciate it.
Yes. Where is my camera?
Your camera.
Brian.
Wampe tu hivyo.
Benefit of this family. I really take this opportunity to thank Marwa, his group.
I'm humble.
Yeah, bringing my children all the way up to this juncture.
Yes.
So otherwise, I'm here for a short time. Let me cut the ribbon.
Gake, you are ready with the...
Yeah, we are ready. The pop.
Hey, Gake. Takulipue.
Let's practice.
Mwezi mtukufu. Buga. Fungua milango. Boom. Hey.
So it's open. Everyone can enter. Yeah. So next, mama to
Jameni. Wewe. Acha kwanza
So next.
Wewe.
Yes. As you do content.
Yeah.
All right. Guys, we have Alex's mom here. She wanna cut the ribbon for the kitchen, and you can see how many people are here. They have all come to witness.
Actually, mom, when I came from Nairobi,
Yes.
and I used to wake up very early, do some videos, and come to grandma.
Yes.
So mom that time was very worried. Is
Yes.
this a
Real.
cult? Is this real?
Yeah,
mom,
is this a cult?
Tell me, this is Marwa.
Yes.
Is Marwa real? Is this thing real?
Mama, hii mambo ni ya ukweli. Mtu asikudanganye vitu zingine.
Yeah. So
mtu asikudanganye vitu zingine. Hii mambo ni ya Mungu. Si ya shetani.
Yeah.
Kwani shetani tu ndo anabariki watu mama. Mungu hana hiyo uwezo. Asante. Yes.
Naombea Mungu awape baraka.
Yes.
Na Mungu aendelee kuleta subscribers na aendelee kuleta uborabu.
Yes. Lightness. Yes.
Brightness.
You can translate that to the people.
And may God bless you people.
Mom is saying, God bless you so much.
Yes.
And may God bless you subscribers, and may God keep bringing lives to this home.
Yes. That boy wants to bust that.
So mom, we can proceed. Let me hold for me.
1, 2, 3. How are you, my friend? I'm happy to see you.
I'm so happy. I can't use it. So,
yes.
You go fast. You have to go fast, Marwa. Pole jamani. Music, acha kwanza music jamani. Music tutakuachia. Ninawasha ndio.
Yeah. So
yes, give us a tour.
Yeah. So what are these? So here is the cooking section.
Okay.
Actually, subscriber gifted this.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll be cooking from here.
Yes.
And also here I'll put we'll just put this table.
Yes.
This table is just like my office.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'll put a couch here and we can run a podcast from here.
Yes.
That's simple.
I will attend your podcast.
Thank you so much, man.
Yes.
Yes. So
celebrate.
I feel humble.
Yes.
And I feel fortunate.
Okay.
Kwanza wewe kuja kwa mara kwanza.
Thank you.
Wagwan man.
Wagwan. Idea here. Yes.
So Marwa.
Yes.
So I want Marwa to come.
Moba.
Where is my group?
Yes.
Okay. So I don't know how we should do it.
Daudi.
Maybe we should do it outside.
Yeah? Yana came for you.
Yeah.
Let me contact you.
You're going to celebrate.
Yes.
Okay. Those who are watching, guys, we are very grateful today. God has given us a chance to be here. Me as Marwa, I'm honored to see like the way YouTube has grown just beyond even me. You know, it's not just Marwa, it's beyond just me. That is something good, and I'm really encouraging those people who are starting YouTube.
Okay, guys.
Don't listen to people telling you, oh, this thing is not working, or you're spending your money buying a camera. You just keep doing YouTube every single day. And don't do YouTube of, how can I say, abusing people. Those ones, yes, they can gain something, but not long term. Long term, it cannot. YouTube requires you to do it even when you've lost hope. It's not working, only 2 people are watching you, but you still keep doing it because one day it will pay off. Even me, I have videos which don't have even 1,000 views when I started. But if I lost hope because I was not getting 1,000 people watching, I will not be here today. Yes, or my sister, or my brother, or even Alex.
Even me here.
Yes, even Hosea. Because you have to start from somewhere. Ukubali tu ukue na hiyo vitu. Pole pole, usingangane. Wewe ngangana kutengeneza video safi ambayo isumbui watu. Ile kutusi, polisi, sijui nini, drama nyingi. Wewe amuka, do something and things will work out. Yes, and also you pray God. Sema Mungu mimi naamini kitu. And YouTube is big. You don't have to fight with anyone. You can use my home as an example. I make my own money. I build my own things. I buy my own cars. My sister does the same thing. My brother is doing the same thing. Chacha tells is doing the same. So you don't have to fight. It's too big. Yes, it's too big. Yes. Or you look for unaonea mwingine wivu eti huyu tulianza naye amenishinda. No. Everybody has their own journeys. Just believe in your journey. Be creative. Use your mind. Tumia akili yako kujisaidia. In a good way, it will work out. Yes.
So Marwa, I want to present this gift to you.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Is it a watch which is inside?
And my dad, this is for my dad.
Okay.
Maybe we can go outside.
We can go outside. That's our space.
Let's go
outside. Please. This lady looks like my sister. She looks like her sister.
Ni muda wa kwenda nje. It's time to go out. Okay. Oh, let's go together.
Mura, Mungu atakusaidia. Usikufe moyo.
Pole pole.
You work hard and believe in God.
Thank you.
Just put videos every day. Yes,
Where?
Mura.
Thank you.
Mura, how are you?
I'm fine.
Hi, my friend.
Vipi kijana?
Fresh buga. Hey.
And those who want to be tagged, they can be tagged before I leave.
Tag me.
Yes. Haya. Sasa we can, I think, stand this way. Tufanye hiyo champagne.
Hey, guys, come and stand here.
Unaangalia jua ina.
Here is good. No, ni kama wakiwa hapa ndio itakuwa beta. Wakisimama hapa, no, usimame huko juu. Jua haiko huko juu, mwangaza mzuri uko huko.
Tuangalie huko.
Ingine.
Buga. You good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Champagne iko?
Si nilipea gake.
Karibu.
Nilipea gake bwana. Champagne nilimpa.
Tulikuwa na wewe wapi?
Wangu huko kwa hapo na John.
Boss himself.
Kuja kumbona sana wewe.
Haya jamaa.
Tulipo utanichukulia hii video. Naona uko na
niko hapa
Isikue more than a minute. Ikienda sana ni 2 minutes.
30 seconds. Ingia kwenye center. Ingia kwenye center. Hey,
Ibariki.
Ibariki basi.
I always pop champagne also. Sits na alcohol.
Yes.
Mama 00 pombe
Mama Ni mizabibu mama.
Unaweza
Matunda
muonyesha
mizabibu.
it's non-alcoholic.
Tunaona matunda.
Fadela, good to see you. Mnarekodi kitu kibali.
Mama inapiga kelele.
Usimame vizuri, ngoja kidogo. Usimame kabisa vizuri, watoto wakue hapo. Kila mtu aonekane. Wale wana film wakue pande ile, wale wa film pande hii.
Look at the gift.
Just a moment. You are ready?
Yeah.
California boy.
1, 2, mkishamaliza ndio tuhesabu 1. Everybody will go.
Okay. So
Three.
what you
2.
So mtasema to road to success.
Road to success. Yeah, get it off. Yeah. Give my mom tafadhali.
Kidogo tu.
Kidogo tu. Haya leta. Kidogo tu. Tumbler.
Cheers.
I'm happy to see Marwa. Thank you.
Kachubarikiwe mura. Wewe tumbler. Haya. Ai test mama. Yeke mura. Wegake. Yeke. Jamani, Mungu kabali amora. Gake. Ona mura. Rebina. Hii ni mzabibu mama.
So the next event acha tukate cake.
Let's cut a cake and
maisha ni
we'll call it
matamu. Aikia Mungu. Wow. Life is too sweet. Soft life. We chacha, keki iko hapa. Ndio hii. The cake is iko hapa. Mara. Bye. Asante.
Haya Marwa.
Brother Dagi. Sorry my brother.
Hey bro, nikunoma. Cheka vizuri.
Brother Doggy. Abai from Qatar to Nairobi.
Naona waja kufanya kitu. Mbona tuamsha bana na usingizi na
Wow. Okay. Congratulations for your good work, bro.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, this is the owner.
Yeah, this is the guy.
Hata habari. Maro. Mimi nadhani wewe ni ndugu ya kina Bosongo, si ndio?
Nilikuwa napenda kuja na baba yako. Kipindi mlikuwa mnaishi hapo mnachenga.
Hata hapa nimekata nyasi hapa kwa hii mto sana. Mzee Ondari hata amelima hapo. Kare.
Hiyo ni shamba nilimwachia kipindi anaenda Tanzania. Alikuwa analima shamba yangu.
Ndio huyo.
Kumbe you know each other.
We have grown here in the village. There's nowhere my dad has never found. Guys, we're just having memories. This man here who such as transformed his house. Nimekutembelea tu sasa kunionyesha. Na nimekuja tu hapa kusisitiza kuwa sisi hatuabudu shetani jamani. Sisi tunaamini Mungu na Mungu.
Karibu ndani.
Asante.
So Marwa actually I see what not only touched our life.
You know, YouTube, right now as I speak, it's overgrown. I wanted to overgrow audio. So guys, it's a little dark.
So Marwa, these are the houses.
I see tiles. Hey, you've done a lot. You know, also something funny about YouTube is when you want to help your own people, people think you are selfish.
Very true.
But they will be willing to send you money to help somebody else. So that is one of the things I was saying, that also as we help others, you know, maybe your family will say, why did church help that man before helping me? But then they don't understand that YouTube doesn't operate like that. People on YouTube, sometimes they just want you to help that person. Yes. All right, guys, we are here. You guys can see a very beautiful house, a nice door. We have here.
There's a window actually.
Window.
See there.
Oh, that's a window.
They used to use it as a door. They didn't have a toilet, so they used to. Walikuwa wanaogea, but they used to shower there.
Wow.
So we installed the windows, the seats, everything,
Wow.
the ceiling,
Even the carpet.
Even the carpet I'm seeing. Even tables. Very nice, guys. You can see. I was just telling the father of this home that we do not worship the devil, we believe in God.
Yeah, very true.
Because sometimes people they want to push an agenda which is not true.
And
yes.
Yeah, sorry. And actually, Marwa, when I come, the
Yes.
dad was he was very sick, asthmatic,
Yeah.
and high blood pressure.
Okay.
Actually, he was there's a time I was doing with him a video. He
Yes.
was telling me he was hopeless, just waiting to die.
Oh my God.
So and that Suleiman is there.
Oh, Suleiman is the
Suleiman is there.
Is the son.
Actually, he has a business. They opened for him a business.
Okay, this is his son.
Price, yeah.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah, so
Suleiman, sisi si madevoshi marafiki.
No.
Kwani Mungu anabariki watu? Hiyo ndio mimi kitu naulizanga watu wengi sana. Mbona uende kanisa kama Mungu hawezi kubariki?
Anabariki.
Yaani in short huyu mtoto ndio akose kanisa. Sasa ndio naona huyu anapenda kanisa sana. Huyu pamoja na Rebecca. Rebecca kwa Jose.
So guys, this is a home. They have really transformed. Aya, asante tata. Mimi nimeshukuru kuja kwako.
Massive project, and I'll just accompany with my cousin. So we are touring this project, which Chacha Tile was, running. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Shines there.
Yeah.
Actually,
Mungu anakuwa ameshaona mambo yako, shida zako. Anasema hapana, nitakutembelea. Shida ya kwetu hapa, Mungu akikutembelea kwa njia kubwa, wewe unaanza kukataa kumwamini, unaanza kuona hii maybe ni mwingine amenitembelea. Haya, asante.
Karibu sana.
thank you so much.
Sawa.
Haya,
Karibu wakati wote.
Guys, okay, guys.
Yes. Guys, this is Hello Baby's channel. Who is my cousin? Yes. I had some issue with Hello Baby because one day he said I chased him, which I did not.
Yeah.
But he's my blood.
Yes.
So I want him to be an honest man.
Yeah.
And through that, maybe I can be supporting him.
Okay.
Yes. Because me, I can't deal with someone who is not honest.
Yeah.
Sure. So if you promise you'll be that.
Yes.
These are all our village. You cannot run to another village.
Sure. Okay. Guys, food is ready. There's some food. Woo! Girly, banana. Yeah.
Kwani hutaki mmoja hata niongee kwa hiyo channel yako?
Toa basi. You are my classmate, jamani.
Classmate to this young man.
Yeah.
Unajitanga Hello Baby.
Hello Baby.
So hi team Hello Baby. I'm here, that girl Purity, that's my channel name. So I'm happy to be hosted here in this channel. This is my first time and I'm happy. So kindly go check me out at that girl Purity and subscribe. Watch my videos.
Malize mkoje mmoja.
Okay, speak with my people as I eat. No, I'm too hungry.
Okay.
Jamani, nanja.
So guys, we are here at Chacha Tales Max Creative. It's time to eat. As you can see, I have my plate here. We want to start serving. It's late in the evening. It's evening. So let me show you what's happening here. This is what is happening here. People are serving. People are serving. Let's serve. We are serving.
I didn't have things. No, Magu.
Sasa si mchezo. Napenda chakula, napenda.
Watermelon, banana, What's up guys? Mambo ya group.
What's up guys? It's mealtime. We're just about to eat. We've had such a tutakuwa copyrighted. Tutakuwa copyrighted juu ya ngoma. Haina copyright. Oh. So check my channel out at CK Money. MANII. Peace.
One love.
One love.
Napenda fruits.
No nyama.
Ni vizuri, ni vizuri.
Chakula ndani.
Bora sitaki hizo mziwa. Nimechukua sahani mbili wala. Najishikanisha tu hivi. Niaje? Oh my god. Ndani ya mataa.
Thank you. Guys, this is my food here, and I think I'm ready done. Taboro kebon. Woo! Wewe. Emoba. Show them here. Taboro kebon.
Haya, Jose, come and dance. This Jose.
Don't onesha hapa. Woo! Asante. This is my food here, man. No problem. Barbecue.
Yo. What's up, guys? Welcome to this sector again. We're just cooking something.
Yani manyama. Mayagu. Si managu. Manyagu. You know, one of my brother.
Yes.
They were being, you know. Yeah, walifanywa ni alipatiwa managu. Managu unajua ni mtu mwenye ako shapeless, ni kimama fulani.
Ndio alimwakia mchele.
Akamtoka tende. Simu mbili. Mimi nimeona. Guys, this barbecue food kamuri motama. Hivi nama.
Ni mbaya.